Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics, and we're here today to unbox the MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse. So let's get started. One of the things to note about this is the USB receiver is in the box itself. So some of the people who had purchased this accidentally threw out the box and threw out the receiver with it. So it's kind of different. There we go. This is the mouse. And comparing that to another mouse I have, it's somewhat smaller. And I have to tell you, it feels pretty small. So if you've got rather large hands, it might be a problem for you. It's got a nice roller on it. Little tab to pull out. And the battery comes with it. So it does have an on-off switch. On. There's no light indication on the bottom of it that it's on. So let's look at the keyboard itself. I really didn't want the numeric pad on it because it makes the keyboard a lot larger as far as taking up space. You can see it's got a full 10-digit number pad over here. It's got all kinds of multimedia keys across the top. Standard QWERTY layout. Nice spring touch to it. It's also got a battery for the keyboard itself, and looks like it's 2 AA batteries. So we'll do a review of it once we get it connected to the computer. This was just a quick unboxing video to show you the keyboard and mouse. Again, it's the Logitech MK270, approximately $20 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. This is Rick with Cybernetics. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hope you will consider subscribing and have a great and wonderful automation day.